If you're like most of the world right now, we're just always trying to enthuse and engage your team. But if you have someone on your team that just doesn't seem to be tied in with everything, I have just one simple question. I first ask myself and then I ask that employee, is this a job or is this a career? Follow me on this. A person that starts to tell you what they will and won't do and when they will and will not work, they're not looking at this career as an opportunity to get to the next level, because doing whatever it takes is what it takes. Those that are putting guidelines and parameters and ultimatums on what they will do, this is a job. And when one comes along better, they're probably going to find it. Those people don't fit on your team, and they don't fit on mine.